It's inauguration week and the markets are on fire. Everybody is waiting to see what the first 100 days of the Trump administration are going to look like and what that's going to mean for long-term and short-term impacts on the stock market. We're here to break it all down and let you know what you should be looking out for your investments here in the next 100 days. As of right now, there's no bigger buzzword than tariffs. Everybody is waiting to see exactly what the foreign policy of the Trump administration is going to look like and how it is going to affect the market, with many people worried it's going to add to the volatility due to the fact that supply chains and certain industries could be hit very hard depending on which countries are targeted by the Trump administration in the first couple of months. Another huge topic on everybody's mind is the interest rate cuts, and should I say the lack thereof them, that we will see in 2025. Many people were expecting multiple rate cuts in the first year of the Trump administration, and were hoping we would see an even bigger boost to the economy as a result. Yet the Fed has been speculated to only be dropping the rates once this year, and that has left investors very worried that the market might not be trending exactly where they thought. So we'll have to stay tuned and see what happens as people react to the lack of rate cuts this year. Another crucial area of concern for many investors are tax cuts and what the Trump administration is going to do on that front. In his previous term, Donald Trump was very pro-big business and tried his best to cut taxes wherever he could, and has promised to make that an even bigger priority this time around. So many investors are going to be waiting to see if there are opportunities to invest in companies gaining big boosts from lack of regulation and lack of taxes over the next few years. The final item everybody will be looking out for is how the Trump administration handles the couple of big foreign policy decisions that are on the table left over from the last couple of years. This includes the Middle East as well as Ukraine and Russia. Both of those have big impact on the foreign markets as well as the domestic markets, depending on how it is handled. Donald Trump has claimed he will come to a resolution on both fronts in the first 100 to 120 days of his administration, and we'll be curious to see if investors react positively or negatively to what we see out of the administration on the foreign policy front. The next 100 days are sure to be crazy, going to involve a lot of the topics that we've discussed today, as well as a bunch of others that I'm sure none of us can see coming. We'll be here to break it all down, so stay tuned to our page, get the latest insights and analysis as soon as we bring it to you.